Hi everyone, we are back. Ever opened a mutual fund app and felt like you have entered the secret society of finance wizards with terms such as SIP, AUM, NAV, and many more? Don't worry. Today we'll break down these terms for you in a fun way. So let's start. First, NAV. NAV or net asset value is simply the price of one unit of a mutual fund. Example, if the NAV is 20 rupees and you invest rupees 2000, then simple math, 2000 divided by 20, it means you have gotten 100 units. So simply saying it is the price of one unit of a mutual fund. Next, SIP or systematic investment plan. This is basically an autopilot for your investments. Set a date, an amount, fix your investments, and then sip your coffee as you watch your money get invested. It can be as simple as setting up an SIP for rupees 2000 or 5000 for the second or first of every month. Next up we have AUM or assets under management. This is just a fancy way of saying how much amount the fund manager is handling. A bigger AUM means more investors, which can in turn mean that definitely the fund is more popular. But hey, smaller players can do well as well. Next up we have expense ratio. This one is usually misinterpreted and deemed scary, but trust me, it's not. This is simply the amount that you're paying your driver to take your money on a growth journey. For example, if the expense ratio of a mutual fund is 1%, it simply means that the fund uses 1% of its own value to cover for the expenses of managing the fund. You, in turn, are not losing anything out of your own pocket or paying anything extra. Next up, we have lock-in period. This simply means that your money invested is in a timeout. For example, for ELSS funds, the lock-in period is of 3 years, meaning you cannot withdraw your money before that lock-in period expires. So, these mutual fund jargons may sound scary, but trust me, they are just fancy terms for simple and basic stuff. Decode these terms and in turn, investing would feel a lot less scary and a lot more comfortable. Want to learn more? Connect with us and follow us for more such videos. I'll see you in the next one.